Loans. A loan is money borrowed from a bank or another person. People take loans to buy important things like a house, a car, or education. Loans help people reach big goals that they cannot pay for immediately. Banks decide who can get a loan. They look at a person's income and credit history. If someone pays bills on time and manages money well, they are more likely to get a loan. Loans always include interest. This means you pay back more than you borrowed. The interest is the bank's fee for lending money. Understanding interest is very important before taking a loan. Some loans take many years to pay back. For example, house loans can last 20 or 30 years. Because of this, taking a loan is a big responsibility. People must think carefully before choosing one. Loans can be helpful, but only when used wisely. Borrowing too much money can create stress and financial problems. It's important to borrow only what you can repay.